Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Facebook two-factor authentication issues in the US in 2026. So if you're not receiving codes, getting locked out, or stuck on the verification screen, yeah, this guide will help you solve it step by step. First, check which method you're using. It could be SMS code, authentication app, or email verification, and each one has a different fix. Next, make sure your phone has a strong signal. So, weak network or no internet can delay or block verification codes from arriving. If you're using an authentication app, make sure your phone time is set to automatic. Incorrect time settings can cause invalid or missing codes. If you didn't receive the code, request a new one. Avoid requesting too many times quickly because it can delay delivery. Facebook also provides backup options like trusted devices or recovery codes. So yeah, use these if SMS or app codes are not working. VPNs or unstable networks can block authentication messages. Try turning off VPN or switching to mobile data or a different Wi-Fi network. If nothing works, go to the Facebook account recovery page. So yeah, follow the steps to verify your identity and regain access. And that's how to fix Facebook two-factor authentication issues in the US in 2026. Once you check your network, sync your device, and use backup options, you should be able to log in again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Facebook security tutorials. Hey everyone!